Wait, before you grab that expensive cleaner, listen. The Amish know secrets most of us forgot. Old methods, simple tools, things sitting in your pantry right now. No chemicals, no waste, just results. And today, inside Rustic Pantry, we reveal 9 cleaning hacks straight from Amish homes. You'll wish you knew them sooner. Let's begin. 1. Vinegar for stubborn stains. The Amish don't run to the store for every bottle with a shiny label. They keep vinegar close. Simple, strong, reliable. A glass of water mixed with vinegar and suddenly old stains look weak. On cloudy windows, on greasy pans, on bathroom tiles, vinegar eats away at the grime. I once saw an Amish woman wipe a cloudy mason jar. She didn't scrub hard. She didn't fight with it. Just dipped a rag in vinegar and rubbed slowly. The glass turned clear like new. It almost feels like magic, but it's not. It's just knowledge passed quietly from one generation to the next. Modern sprays may promise sparkle, yet the Amish know vinegar does it without lies, without chemicals, without waste. 2. Cornmeal for grease spills. Grease spills always feel like trouble. Sticky, slippery, hard to clean. Most people panic and grab rolls of paper towels. But the Amish? They reach for cornmeal. A simple handful sprinkled on the mess. The powder drinks the oil like thirst in summer. Wait a little, sweep it away, and what's left is only a faint mark, easy to wash. I remember hearing a story of a farmer's wife who spilled oil by accident. She didn't curse. She didn't hurry. She just laughed and tossed cornmeal over it. Within minutes, the floor was safe again. No panic, no struggle, just calm wisdom. That's how they live, finding simple tools in plain sight. 3. Baking soda as a scrubbing secret. Baking soda, harmless, cheap, yet powerful. You'll find it in nearly every Amish pantry. Not just for bread, not just for biscuits, for cleaning too. They scrub blackened pots with it, restoring shine after cooking over wood stoves. They sprinkle it over stains on sinks and enamelware. A damp rag, a soft hand, and the dirt gives up. I once tried on a pan I thought was ruined. The black marks had built for months. With baking soda, it began to fade, slowly but surely. The Amish use what works, not what looks pretty in commercials. Baking soda is plain, but plain things often carry more strength than fancy things. That's the Amish way. 4. Lemon peels for fresh scents. Imagine a kitchen after a long day of cooking. Heavy smells linger, grease in the air. Most homes spray chemicals. The Amish don't. They save lemon peels, rubbed across cutting boards. The peels erase onion or garlic odors. Then dropped in boiling water, they release a soft fragrance. Fresh, pure, not fake. I once stepped into an Amish kitchen while lemon water simmered on the stove. The air was bright, clean, like stepping into a summer orchard. Nothing wasted, nothing extra. Even the peel, something most people throw away, finds purpose. That's the kind of wisdom that never fades. 5. Salt for rust and tarnish. Rust creeps in slowly. On old pans, on tools left in the barn, on sinks. The Amish fight it with salt. Coarse salt, sometimes mixed with vinegar, rubbed against the metal. The grit scrapes, the acid eats. Together they restore what seems lost. I've seen an Amish man take a skillet that looked dead with rust. He worked it with salt until the black surface shone again. Not polished perfect, but alive, usable. Modern life throws away what looks damaged. The Amish restore. They see value in what remains. Salt, just a handful from the kitchen, becomes a weapon against time. 6. Potato for glass and mirrors. This one feels strange until you see it. A potato, raw, cut in half, rubbing across a foggy window. Smears vanish. Grease disappears. The starch leaves a thin coat, keeping dust and moisture away longer. The Amish use it on lantern glass, on mirrors, on windows clouded from wood stove smoke. I remember trying it once and laughing. Who would think of such a thing? Yet it worked better than sprays. No strong scent, no bottle wasted. Just a potato, common and quiet, revealing a hidden gift. Sometimes the simplest tools surprise you the most. 7. Soap shavings instead of detergent. Laundry is endless, especially for big Amish families. Instead of buying colorful boxes, they make their own detergent. Soap bars shave into fine flakes, melted in hot water, poured into wash tubs. It works. Strong enough to clean, gentle enough to protect fabric. Clothes come out clean without heavy perfumes. I once saw rows of shirts on a line, crisp in the wind, smelling of nothing but air and soap. Pure, honest. Store detergents feel flashy. They foam big, smell strong, but leave chemicals behind. Amish soap feels different. It feels like a return to something older, truer. 8. Boiled herbs for disinfecting. Before sprays and sanitizers, there were herbs. The Amish still boil thyme, rosemary, or pine needles. The steam rises. The air feels fresh, almost sharp. The water left behind is used to wipe tables and counters. Natural oils and the herbs fight germs. No labels, no warnings, just plants doing what they were meant to do. I once stood near an Amish stove while pine needles boiled. The scent filled the house, earthy, grounding, safe. You don't forget that smell. It's cleaning, but also healing. They believe the world already gives enough if you know how to use it. And they're right. 9. Homemade lye soap for deep cleaning. Lye soap is not easy. It takes skill, care, time, but the Amish still make it. Strong soap. Harsh at first, yet powerful. It cleans floors, dishes, even laundry. Grease doesn't stand a chance against it. Generations have passed down recipes, each family shaping their own. I held a bar once, thick, rough, not pretty, but it worked like nothing else. You feel history in it. No fake perfumes, no bright colors, just soap doing its work. In a world that sells dozens of bottles for every task, the Amish show one bar can handle them all. That's more than cleaning. That's wisdom carved in tradition. So now you know, 9 simple tricks, 9 old secrets, and none of them cost much. The Amish show us that less really can clean more. Maybe you'll try vinegar first, or maybe the potato will shock you. Doesn't matter which one. What matters is simplicity works. If you enjoyed this journey into hidden wisdom, subscribe to Rustic Pantry. Stay close. More stories, more hacks, always simple, always real.